Good morning, and thank you for joining us today. We're eager to hear about your expertise in pharmacovigilance, especially in emerging areas such as AI, digitalization, real world evidence, and regulatory compliance. Can you start by giving us a brief overview of your experience in the field?
Good morning, and thank you for this opportunity. I have over 13 years of experience in pharmacovigilance, covering areas such as adverse event reporting, signal detection, risk management, and regulatory compliance. I have worked with both pharmaceutical products and medical devices, ensuring safety monitoring and compliance with global regulatory requirements. Additionally, I have been actively involved in digital transformation initiatives, leveraging AI and real-world evidence to enhance pharmacovigilance processes.
AI and digitalization are revolutionizing pharmacovigilance. How have you seen AI being used in this space, and how do you think it will shape the future of drug safety?
AI has played a significant role in automating adverse event case processing, signal detection, literature monitoring, and regulatory reporting. AI-powered natural language processing tools can analyze large datasets, such as patient records and social media, to detect emerging safety concerns. In my previous role, I worked on implementing machine learning algorithms to prioritize adverse event reports based on severity and urgency. I believe AI will continue to drive efficiency in pharmacovigilance by enabling predictive analytics, improving data quality, and reducing manual workload.
Real world evidence is becoming an essential tool in drug safety. How have you incorporated RWE into your pharmacovigilance activities?
RWE provides valuable insights into drug safety beyond controlled clinical trials. I have used RWE for post-marketing surveillance by analyzing patient registries, claims databases, and electronic health records to assess long-term safety outcomes. RWE has also been instrumental in detecting rare adverse events that may not be observed in clinical trials. I have collaborated with epidemiologists and data scientists to integrate RWE into risk-benefit assessments, improving decision-making for regulatory submissions and risk management plans.
Risk minimization measures are crucial in pharmacovigilance. Can you share your experience in evaluating the effectiveness of RMMs?
I have worked on developing and assessing RMMs, such as educational materials, patient monitoring programs, and restricted distribution systems. Evaluating their effectiveness requires analyzing data from healthcare providers, patient surveys, and claims databases to measure compliance and impact. For example, I was involved in a study assessing the effectiveness of a risk communication campaign for a high-risk medication where we monitored adverse event trends before and after implementation. Effective pharmacovigilance communication also involves engaging with healthcare professionals and patients to ensure awareness and adherence to safety measures.
Signal detection and management are core pharmacovigilance functions. How have you contributed to this process?
I have been actively involved in signal detection using quantitative and qualitative methods, including disproportionality analysis, Bayesian algorithms, and literature reviews. In a previous role, I helped implement an automated signal detection tool that analyzed spontaneous reporting system data for emerging safety concerns. Once a potential signal was identified, I collaborated with medical experts to assess causality and determine regulatory actions. Effective signal management requires continuous monitoring, cross-functional collaboration, and timely communication with health authorities.
Training is essential in pharmacovigilance. Have you been involved in pharmacovigilance education and training programs?
Yes, I have developed and delivered pharmacovigilance training programs for internal teams, healthcare professionals, and external partners. This included training on adverse event reporting, signal detection methodologies, and regulatory compliance. I also contributed to the creation of e-learning modules for global teams to standardize pharmacovigilance knowledge across different regions. Continuous education is critical to keeping teams informed about evolving regulations and best practices.
Personalized medicine is growing in importance. How do you see pharmacogenomics impacting drug safety?
Pharmacogenomics plays a crucial role in identifying genetic variations that influence drug response and adverse reactions. By integrating pharmacogenomic data into pharmacovigilance, we can enhance risk stratification and implement personalized safety measures. I have worked on safety studies evaluating genetic markers linked to adverse drug reactions, which helped refine risk management strategies and labeling updates. As pharmacogenomics advances, I believe it will become a key component of precision medicine, improving patient safety and treatment outcomes.
Digital healthcare is reshaping drug safety monitoring. How can pharmacovigilance integrate with digital health solutions?
Digital healthcare offers new opportunities for real-time safety monitoring through wearable devices, mobile health apps, and telemedicine platforms. In my previous role, I collaborated with digital health teams to integrate pharmacovigilance into mobile apps, enabling direct adverse event reporting by patients. Additionally, I have worked on using wearable device data to monitor drug safety in real-world settings. The key challenge is ensuring data privacy and regulatory compliance while leveraging digital health innovations.
Regulatory compliance is critical in pharmacovigilance. How have you managed compliance with global regulations?
I have extensive experience ensuring compliance with FDA, EMA, MHRA, and other regulatory agency requirements. This includes preparing periodic safety update reports, responding to regulatory inquiries, and conducting audits. I have also led pharmacovigilance inspections, ensuring readiness through robust documentation, training, and quality assurance processes. Compliance requires continuous monitoring of evolving regulations and proactive engagement with health authorities to address any safety concerns.
How do pharmacovigilance principles apply to medical devices and combination products?
Medical device vigilance involves monitoring device-related adverse events, conducting trend analysis, and submitting medical device reports. For combination products, pharmacovigilance must integrate both drug and device regulations, ensuring comprehensive safety assessments. I have worked on post-market surveillance of combination products, ensuring alignment with ISO 14971 risk management principles and MDR regulations. The complexity lies in distinguishing drug-related and device-related safety issues, requiring close collaboration with quality and regulatory teams.
How can pharmacovigilance improve patient engagement?
Patient engagement is key to enhancing drug safety. I have worked on initiatives to encourage direct patient reporting through user-friendly apps and educational campaigns. Engaging patient advocacy groups and leveraging social media analytics can also provide real-world safety insights. Transparent communication about risks and benefits helps build trust and encourages active participation in safety monitoring.
Certain populations, such as pregnant women and the elderly, require special safety considerations. How have you addressed this in pharmacovigilance?
Safety in special populations involves tailored risk assessments and monitoring strategies. I have contributed to teratovigilance studies assessing drug safety in pregnancy and post-market surveillance in pediatric and elderly populations. Ensuring proper inclusion of these groups in clinical trials and post-marketing studies is crucial for identifying unique safety concerns.
Thank you for sharing your insights. Do you have any questions for us?
Thank you. I'd love to know more about how your organization is integrating AI and digital tools into pharmacovigilance workflows.
That's a great question. We are investing in AI-driven automation and real-world data integration to enhance safety monitoring. We'd be happy to discuss this in more detail in the next stage of the interview.
That sounds exciting. I appreciate the opportunity and look forward to the next steps.